Hey everybody, welcome to Build Part 5. First and foremost, guys, I really want to say thank you. Thank you for the subscriptions, the likes, the shares. Man, it really means a lot. Like I said, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs. I don't know by when, soon if possible, but whenever it happens, be great. But you guys are also digging the review, which means well, because I'm going to be doing a lot more of those. Because since I get to work on cars, I'm going to be exploring a lot of like failure points and just buyer's guides in general. So yeah, but story for later. Today's about the build. I really want to finish. So we're going to put the sound back in. Let's get right into it. I am talking too much. Yeah, man. So this is the balance shaft. This goes after the connecting rod caps, and then this uses the crank to turn. So there's I don't know if you noticed, but there's a gear on the cam that this uses to spin. This spins at twice the RPM to basically lower vibrations on the engine, basically make the engine feel smooth. So the performance version of this engine in the car actually doesn't have this because this causes drag on the crank. So I'm actually removing this. I'm not going to install this. Oh, these are the other bearings, by the way. But I'm removing this. I'm not going to reinstall it. And then we have to clean the oil sump. We have to clean oil pickup tube and then reinstall them. And then this has a oil feed here that I have to close up and plug up. Basically tap it and fit I think it's a 8mm bolt, but on the engine. I'll show you the hole when we do it. But yeah, guys, wanted us to end where I've installed that. So we're gonna clean all this up. Well, 1, 2, and then we're gonna install it. But this is the balance shaft. This is not going back into the car. This weighs about what? I think 20 kilos. But yeah, less drag on the engine, higher RPMs, more fuel efficiency, and yeah, man, we'll see though. Alright guys, so remember I mentioned an oil feed line that was supposed to be plugging up, the one that feeds the balance shaft. So it's this one. Your plans, guys. Rivet gun, silicone on rivet so it blocks up the oil, but it's gonna seal itself. So let's go. Balance shaft delete finally complete. Oil feed plugged with a rivet and some silicone, but the rivet's in there. It's a mostly copper rivet, but I won't. We're in, guys. I'm just gonna button everything up. So guys, one of the other reasons why I'm using rivet to plug the oil feed is because, you know, just in case we might want to go back to, you know, this, reinstalling the balance shaft, because I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna sell it. It does reduce vibration, so just in case, you know, return the car back to 100% stock. I doubt, but yeah, didn't want to have to tap that hole. 2, we have to clean the sump and the oil pickup and install them back on the engine. We're near, guys. Cleaned the sump bolts, and I actually found a copper washer. I thought I'd have to go buy one. This is the sump plug, copper washer on there. Clean the sump best as I could, but I'm gonna keep going and then we're gonna reinstall it. But yeah, all the metal shavings are almost gone. Almost. And I just have to remove all the brown bits. But yeah, after this we install.
RTV.
This is the good stuff, man. It used to be expensive. Now everybody buys it, so it's cheaper. Back then you used to buy a bottle of this for almost $200.
This little tube right here. $200.
That's how much I bought this.
87.
Got cheaper. Hey, Joe, that's the nice thing about people buying silver carbon cheap.
Oh, they get cheaper.
They can get them cheaper from suppliers as well.
Mm-hmm.
So Spurs has really good deals for this thing. I think they did a really good supply because my slip looked really good. And the price, I was really happy about that. Even on the take it's still more expensive now.
Mm-hmm.
100. Devoid of delivery, man.
I was about to ask Jorge, did I have a shipping cost or no?
Unless you create a new account and use that free delivery.
Nice, $87. That sounds really cheap from 200.
Bro. Back in the TZ days, you could try that way very easy. So now I'm gonna take this into the edge. Check it out. Hold on, let me get a better angle. Oil pickup tubes in with the sealant and the gasket. It's as clean as could be. Yeah, man. Okay, let's get the sump in now. I have to align it with the dowels.
Yeah.
Alright.
There it goes.
Back then I used to try to do it to seem cool. Now I do it out of freaking urgency. Let's get the other ones. You know what the problem is right now?
What's the problem?
I do not have the good specs
Oh.
for these. And I gave back the top range. So it's about to be a click situation.
Click.
Yeah, man, you know what it is. You know what
Bro, I'm Zulu, but not that Zulu.
Yeah.
I am Zulu, but not that Zulu.
What the hell?
I think I'm just Zulu, man.
What do you get as name? What do you I got inspiration from my people. One day, you got this beat.
Never. Nah.
It's a lady got a we try see them fire.
I don't go with Terry Mix and Mascandi.
Chill hop.
Chill hop Mascandi. Hey. Never know.
Scandi.
Got a couple holes left too.
Once I'm done, I should be left with like 2-3 holes. Quick.
What is this liquid? Click. There goes the sun.
Alright guys, so we're gonna call it a day here. I'm actually just hanging at my chill spot right now. It's just been a long day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually gonna upload the next video very soon. But the sump is in, we're done, and I'm just gonna work around the top next episode so we can just button everything up and get this car started. So next episode I think we're gonna do the drive belt, because the alternator, the accessory belt's out, and then there's a fuse box that's mounted weirdly, and I forgot what else, but there's some work to be done, and then we have to fill up with oil and the filter. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We're gonna get this car started in the next episode, I am sure of that. Cheers, bye bye.